This keyboard will make you think twice if you're looking for a magic keyboard for your iPad, because it's not only much cheaper, could connect more devices that you have, but it also could fold in half. Let's see. Hello everybody, are you looking for a keyboard that could replace your magic keyboard, or you want to spend like $300 just for an iPad with the only one function that cannot switch to the other device and only use with your iPad? So this was in my mind for a little while. I keep considering to buy the keyboards for my iPad Air, and I'm thinking about if I should buy the magic keyboard from Apple, or should I find any alternative which is better in terms of price and also could fit more than just my iPad Air, because it's quite constrained when we only have one function to spend with over $300 in my local area. But with your area, it might be having a better deal for below $300 or below $250. So based on that, keep thinking for months already. Either I should buy the iPad Air Magic Keyboard, which is very trendy right now, but finally I come up to find something else, because I think if I buy the Magic Keyboard specifically only with my iPad, so whenever I upgrade my iPad to Pro, or even I change the iPad size, I have to buy another one, and it's not really easy for me to sell out the Magic Keyboards, because not many people willing to invest in the keyboard per survey from me, because I check out with some of my peers and my friends, even they have the iPad Air or even the iPad A16, they think the Magic Keyboard still overpriced for them, and they don't even have the demands to use the keyboard regularly. Comparing to the Apple Pencil, I think they prefer to buy the Apple Pencil. So here it comes to the keyboard that I'm choosing. This one is originally come from China. I think it's not really popular, not anyone know about this, but what really attracted me is the design of the keyboard. It is foldable, so you could fold it in half, and the mechanic is very simple yet very rigid, and the build quality is very nice. Even it made from plastic, the whole body, and you see here it's like a leather, but it's actually the faux leather. And also there is a toggle like the Apple product to switch on and off, and this keyboard is also charged with the USB-C, so it's quite easy for you to charge with your current phone charger right now, because all of those phones right now are USB-C, so it's quite easy. And the keyboard come up with a very nice texture. So this one is a full-size keyboard, even it closed in a half and it's open. It is full-size keyboard, so there is no compromise in this one. So what is really good about this one, besides the price, it's just below $50, but because it's used the Bluetooth technology, that is why you could connect up to 3 devices, and it doesn't matter if it is the iOS, iPadOS, macOS, or even Windows or Android. So this one you could choose for all of your devices that have the Bluetooth enabled. My current practice, using this one with my iPad Air mostly, and also with my phone, because I need to switch from here to there whenever the notifications come up from one device to another, and also the productivity. I have been using it for several days already, and I think the experience with it, which is very good. There's no ghost typing. It means every type that you type on is very accurate, and if you see the function buttons on the top, everything is very functional with my iPad, including the brightness, the volume, and also the control button to show all of the apps in the iPad. Another good thing about this keyboard is also the battery, because within one charge, I think I could use more than a month already, but I will update you once I get the real usage, because currently I'm still using for more than a week and the battery still show like a full capacity. It don't require me to charge it yet. So here it is, the keyboard for the alternative for your iPad Air or any iPad device or even the Bluetooth device. So you don't even just make it as the portable keyboard, but you could also place it on your table. So when you unfold, it looks really like a normal keyboard, and the build quality is really good and really slim. I put it with my iPad. I bring it along inside my bag and I don't feel the weight at all. So I hope you could find an alternative keyboard, which is a very good investment. And because today we need to save a lot of money for some reason, and especially for the economic situation, so finding the right product, very affordable, and could choose more than just one device, I think it's gonna be a better choice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question about this keyboard, just let me know. Oh, one important thing that I want to share, this keyboard has no backlit. It's just a normal keyboard. I think the reason that they don't put it because they sell the batteries to let the keyboard last longer. So that's it for the videos today. So in case that you want to buy these keyboards, you could find a link in the comment. I will try to find the link and put it for you. And if you want me to review any other gadget, feel free to let me know. I will review it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Again, if you are wanting to buy the Magic keyboards and you don't make your mind yet, I could say better not, because you are not going to stick only with one iPad. But if the money is not your challenge or you have a deep pocket, I think Magic keyboard still the best for your iPad. It's really designed for it. But like I mentioned, because the Magic keyboard is really built specifically for the iPad, so in case that you want to use with the other devices, or you have another upgrading for the iPad from Air to Pro or something, or even a bigger size from 11 to 16, you need to re-buy another one. So that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoy my sharing. So if you have any question about the keyboards or any other device that you want me to review, feel free to put the comment down below. See you in the next one.